Hello, Manju. How are
So,
you?
I'm good. I'm very good.
First time we are connecting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, ma'am, I'm feeling
Comes with-
wonderfully nice. And I have to tell you, like the last mission you had about this lips and yes, smile lift challenge. And when I did that class, this micro challenge, I could actually feel that this upper lip of mine has risen. And I could actually feel the difference. I really suffer from this under eye, I've got these bags, and then there's a depression here. I have
Okay.
twice got the fillers done. So
Mhm.
this January, I did not know about you, but then I got those exosomes treatment done, and I did not know about your this thing. Now she's calling me, and I'm not going because I can feel the difference that this thing is coming on it. Your like by doing your classes, and especially the cheek push-ups, I can feel that this thing is coming back to the normal thing. So you won't believe, like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I have joined a Kathak class. Now I go to a Kathak class and I rush back because I know that Monday there is a class here also. So it's like I'm just rushing. And today, even in the car, I was listening to your heel on the session.
All
And I
right.
have to tell you this also that the other day when I went for my Kathak class, and there were like the assistants there, and there was a female who was telling me, she comes up to me and she tells me, मैम आप ना दिन ब दिन ना बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होते जा रहे हो, आप बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे, एंड आई फेल्ट सो नाइस, आई कांट टेल यू, बिकॉज जब मैं नीचे होती तो कह रही आप डे बाय डे मैम बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होते जा रहे हो. So I felt so nice, I can't tell you the feeling. And all thanks to you. Because
I can actually feel it. I can feel it. Right? Whatever you are feeling.
seven
कितने
eight
वीक हो गए अभी आपको? 9 weeks हो गए?
7 8 तो हो गए मैम, 7
7
8.
8 हो गए.
Like
Yes.
very very happy with your program, and I'm really going to promote it because मेरी सारी friends and everybody, I'm going to tell them.
Okay. Now disclose your age also to
Ma'am,
everyone.
I will be turning 54 in another 10 days.
Wow. Nice. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I'll be turning 54 now. Yes,
Very nice. Very nice.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
amazing. Amazing. Now I'm going to discuss your results also. Let me share
Yes,
this.
please, please.
And let me give some feedback. Let me see.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So I can actually see a lot of plumpness on your face, if you'll see. So your droopy look has changed quite a lot.
Yeah.
Everyone, can you see? It is looking like जो कुछ I have seen some cosmetic surgeons, they share, after this, before this, actually that kind of result I can already see in your under eye area.
Yeah, ma'am, I can feel that. I can actually feel it.
Yes, this huge result in
Ma'am,
7
very regular with your classes.
Very nice, very nice. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
आपका जो नेक्स्ट टारगेट होना चाहिए, सी अंडर आई एरिया में आपका काफी अच्छा चल रहा है. आई थिंक दैट व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग, कीप डूइंग दैट.
Okay.
Your this area, you
Yeah.
have to target jowl. Now, when we are doing this upcoming boot camp, you will be able to work a lot. Although we are targeting this, but बहुत सारा कुछ हमारा exercise ऐसा होगा where we are going to target the whole area.
Okay. Okay.
Because this muscle is supporting the corners,
Yes.
right? And when it is supporting the corners, you see the results here also. So it's all बहुत सारा काम हम करने वाले हैं. तो कुछ आपको exercise, this is for everyone. When you join me in the boot camp, make your notes. You can go back to the recordings, make the notes, and so that you need to include those exercises with your practices. Besides that, we had a symmetry boot camp in our season 1. You were not there at that time, but we are going to repeat it after 2 more butathons. It will
Okay.
come back, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So then you'll be able to work a lot on the asymmetry part also. Besides that, whatever you're doing right now, वहां से भी आपको asymmetry में बहुत results anyway मिलने वाला है.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations. Okay, everyone give a lot of hearts to
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Manju
Thank you.
and amazing, amazing
And
results.
hearts to you too.